You asked, how to divide 3,749 by 2 using the long division method. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1874 remainder 1.